Hey guys, welcome back to Ouch Mountain. We're excited today because we're going to be setting our cantilever beams on our 8x8 post. Y'all stay with us. So last time out, we set our 8x8 post onto our concrete piers. We did this by hand. We didn't use the tractor because we're kind of limited on space here. We're up against the bank on one side and the mountain kind of drops off on the other side. Kind of tight moving the tractor in and out of here, but we're able to do it by hand. It's not easy, but we got it done and they went up pretty fast. Now that the posts are set, we're going to attach these to our Simpson strong tie bases. This is the second project we've used these bases. They work really well. All you have to do is set them in there straight, level, and plumb, and then screw them in. So we held up a 2x4 straight edge with the level on it all the way around. So we got some level marks on it. And now I've gone back around on each post and with the torpedo level made level marks. That's gonna be our cut line. It's where we're gonna cut each post off. And that's gonna be right above the peak of the stove. But we're gonna have a little roof built on top of that. So should have plenty of clearance over the stove. And we'll get this thing covered pretty quick.
So there are our cut lines. There's the one over there. I think we can kind of see this one. We did not leave those posts much too long, but we got a little chunk we can cut off of them.
All right, so we've measured and marked our lines to cut off these posts. So we're going to cut these off, make sure they're level, and then keep on going. So I like using the circular saw to cut these. It gives us a cleaner cut, a little bit more accurate cut than just using the chainsaw. But the problem is it doesn't cut away the middle. So the best thing I found is using our reciprocating saw to go in with a really thin blade and cut out that middle. Then we'll see how level it is. It may need to be sanded off and just cleaned up a little bit. Right through the middle is good. This direction's good.
Okay.
That's pretty good. This one needs some work. So I have these two posts prepped and ready, and I'm gonna stick this 2x4 up here, just see if we're good and level. And use this kind of as a measuring stick to see if we're good. Pretty much in the center. That looks really good. That looks good. So we'll have a 4x8 going across there instead of this 2x4, but that's about perfect. All right, we're going to try our little trick again to see how level our posts are, because this is how our 4x8s will run, our cantilevered 4x8s. Let's see how level these two are to each other. Oh, that's really close. So this end is a little bit low. So this post is just a little bit short. It's probably 1/8 of an inch short.
We should be able to work with that though,
I think we can make that work. I don't think we can do much about it. The other side's perfect. This is just a hair off level, but I think it's gonna work. And now we're going to check it side to side. That's good. That's right on.
The other end looks good too.
So you may remember a couple months ago we sawed this 8x8, this long 15-foot 8x8, and today we're going to take it back to the sawmill, saw it in half, and give us two 4x8s, and that's going to be the two long cantilevered pieces over the shelter we're building over our wood stove.
So we really need a shorter strap so we can do some of these jobs, but we don't have that today. We're just gonna use this shorter chain that swivels and just put this towel here to keep from scuffing the beam up. That strap really isn't doing anything, it's just acting as a counterweight because the beam was out of balance. So we're going to try and get this one set. Alright, we had to do a little repositioning. We had to put that beam on the other end of the grapple, so maybe we can get it in here. We got a tight spot to work, but we're going to try. I know y'all wonder what the deal is with these plastic lawn chairs and this pipe here that's been here for a very long time, but when our original woodshed burned in the fire, we had to locate the underground electrical wire, and it is in this piece of conduit that's leaned here against these chairs, trying to keep the dogs from chewing on it. That's the purpose. I'm gonna get up here to move it, or you're gonna move it from down there. Okay. Now, gotta shift it that way. Okay. More. 3 inches more. Good. Whoop. Come back. Oh, go back the other way. 1 inch, half an inch. About there. It could come my way just a tap. Oh. Pretty good. Needs to be straightened up. It needs to go out. Downhill just a little bit. About right.
So the last step in the project today is we're going to attach these angle brackets. They're also Simpson strong tie brackets to connect our beams to our posts. They go up really easy and fast, and they get this job done. And if you like watching our videos, hit the subscribe button, click the like button, send us some comments, and share it with a friend. And we'll see you next time on Ouch Mountain.